So after the Vuyo boyfriend story, remember I posted it last night. So now Nancy updates. After the video was posted on Facebook, a boyfriend approached the blogger and said, listen, I know nothing about this relationship. I am not in a relationship with Uvuyo Nciweni. Angimazi futhi angazi lutho ngalento enikhuluma ngayo. So the blogger, Lady Londi, approached the girlfriend that had exposed the relationship. Got back to her and asked her, nangu umuntu wakho ethi akazi lutho ngale relationship, what's going on? Then the girlfriend was like, hayibo phela vele uzophika, wasesenda i-voice note between yena girlfriend no guy bekhuluma about their relationship, ne? Ngizoyifaka la leyo voice note bese uyazijajela wena ukuthi does it say anything? Does it give you any information where you can decide if you believe the story of a relationship with of Xolani and Vuyokazi Nciweni? Now, you guys, after the girl got back to Lady Londi and said, listen, this is true. It's just that most of the time he would make sure that we are speaking on a phone call, which I did not record. Otherwise, if I had those recordings, then you would know, because we talked a lot about him taking Uvuyo as his first wife. Fine, okay. Now, on the other side, I guess Uvuyo naye did find out ukuthi there is a rumor going around that she is dating Uxolani. One thing I can say is that Uvuyo does follow Uxolani on social media. So it's not like akamazi nje at all. We are a follower on social media. Then the interesting thing, you guys, she issued a statement where she's denying ukuthi yena nje akazi lutho ngale story, akamazi lo Xolani, has never met him, whatever. But the mistake that she did, or she made, Uvuyo, is that she mentions the name of the girl that approached Lady Londi, but Lady Londi had never revealed which girlfriend it was, because apparently, allegedly, this guy has many girlfriends. So she never revealed Lady Londi who that girl is. But when Uvuyo is issuing a statement, she puts the girl's name there. This rumor was started by this girl. She puts the name. Now, you tell me, how does she know which one of Xolani's girlfriends gave Ulodi London a story? Because the name was never revealed. But again, she is denying. Like Nonko Williams. Ulondi washo kanjalo in one episode of Real Housewives. What vele wena Nonko, this is what you do. You deny. So Vuyokazi Nciweni is denying. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Like it before gonna share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers.
Uyazi ukuthi njalo you always bring up indaba ukuthi ngashada okokuqala phambi kwakho. Nokuzotha, when you dated the guy on a BM, yes, I pursued you when you decided to ghost me. Engikhohlwa phela leyo nto. That's what happened before mina nawe. Wangighosta. Wajola nalo guy. Hey, ngiyabuka hawo. Umuntu uyajola, and it became a joke to you ukuthi you left me. Ngalimala ngifuna ukuqama amanga. And I'm not doing this because ngiyapheya or something, cha. Angiyenzi leyo nto. But le nto uloke uyiletha as if eqaleni imini ngangirong, and sayikhuluma le nto ukuthi what you did waze wathi wena wakhetha lo guy. It mina ngiyakhumbula uhlezi uhamba, angazi noma isempumalanga yini uguy noma ekuphi. Ohlezi uhamba uyakuyena. yabo. Yes, ngashada, but ngangazi mina ukuthi mina nawe sikwi-relationship. Boom, umuntu useyajola noguy we-BM. So ngiyakuzwa lokho okunye okushoyo, kodwa ngicela ungaphindi uyikhulume leyo nto.